Hello. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make crispy chicken quesadillas with a side of chimichurri. Start by gathering your ingredients. Place a good amount of cilantro into the Ninja, then add 3 cloves of garlic, a small onion, and 2 bell peppers. Hit it with the Ninja. On low heat, add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil to your sauté pan. Add the minced vegetables. Go ahead and add your seasonings. They consist of 1 package of Sazon, cumin, chili powder, ground annatto for color, paprika, adobo seasoning, dried oregano, fine sea salt, and black pepper. And don't forget the hot seeds. Give it a good stir and saute until almost caramelized. Add 1 can of red gold tomato chilies. Cook it until the liquid is reduced by half. Then give it a taste. That is good. Clean the chicken. Season it with salt, pepper, oregano, and adobo. Fry the chicken in oil. Use enough to cover the bottom of the pan. You want to do this on medium-high heat. Go ahead and season the other side. Salt, pepper, oregano, and adobo. Cook the chicken until you have some color on it. It doesn't need to be cooked all the way through. Once both sides are browned, add the chicken back to the vegetable mixture and cover it. Cook it to an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Do you ever feel like you're being watched? When the chicken is fully cooked, place it in the stand mixer using the paddle attachment. Gradually increase the speed. Don't forget to feed the Brofist. Add the vegetable sauce back to the chicken and stir. At this point, double check your seasoning and adjust if necessary. Place a generous amount of chicken onto your flour tortillas. Add your cheese and cover with another tortilla, pressing down firmly. Cook the quesadillas on medium heat using a slightly oiled sauté pan. Cook until lightly golden brown. The link for the chimichurri video is listed below. Top it with some fresh tomatoes, cilantro, or whatever you like. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.